Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be going into a 5-year update or review on my Gearwrench pick set. It's a hook and pick set. It is a 7-piece set, and Gearwrench has actually released a new version of it as well as a lot of their other products. So I'm going to be doing videos not only on this pick set and comparing it to the new product. I don't personally have it, but I'll show you images of it, the price differences, the differences in between the two sets and all of that. And I'm gonna do that for this pick set, another video on the scraper set, another video on the panel popper tools, as well as some others. So stay tuned for those. I'll share the price differences with you, some of the spec differences and all of that. But it's a pretty interesting kind of topic, especially considering some things. So I'm gonna go ahead and review the product. Then I'll be posting up pictures of the new product and sharing that information with you guys. So I really hope you guys enjoy. If you guys do, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down in the comment section if you guys have used these products and your thoughts on them, or if you're considering purchasing the new one. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Let's get into this. Alrighty, YouTubers. So this is the Gearwrench 7-piece hook and pick set. They also have this available with just the 4 small picks. They also have longer ones available, as well as individuals and many other sets. This is just the set that I really wanted because it comes with the 4 standard picks as well as the longer hooks for removing hoses and stuff. So I thought it was a pretty good complete kit and all around basically everything that I need. I've had this roughly 5 years or so and it's held up well. Obviously they're picks, so the handles have held up well. I haven't bent any of them too much. The straight is a little bent, but not too bad. And then as far as the larger picks or hooks, whatever you want to call them, I use them for removing hoses because the points aren't quite as sharp. They still have a good point to them, but they're not quite as sharp, and they're better for getting in there and breaking loose that hose when there's corrosion buildup or any kind of chemical that's really holding that hose on. So it does a really good job. It's got like an aluminum paint or some sort of finish on it over just the chrome. Like the smaller picks have just the chrome, whereas this has kind of like a brushed aluminum look, but it has held up well. There's some minor scratches in it, and you can see on the tip it has kind of chipped away. But it's holding up really well. I haven't broken any of them, and I really enjoy them. So this is the old design, and they now have a new design. Gearwrench is switching over to that goldish orange color and black, but it's not just a color change on the handles. The actual handles themselves have changed, where this is made to look like it's almost a tri-lobe just because it has 3 sections of the black rubber, but it is actually more of just a circle. There's not much tri-lobe to it whatsoever, which is okay when it comes to picks and stuff, but people tend to like more of a tri-lobe when it comes to screwdrivers. So I also have the 20-piece master screwdriver set from Gearwrench, and I really enjoy that screwdriver set. I did a review on that, so if you haven't checked it out, go ahead and check it out. But here is a picture of the new screwdrivers as well as the new pick set. So you'll see both of them in this. I'll throw pictures up, and they both have the same handle design now. This is the new handle design, and it is more exaggerated as far as the tri-lobe on it. You can really tell they are actually tri-lobe compared to these. The only bad thing is all the photos online, I've seen them in YouTube videos, and you can really see the tri-lobe, but in all the photos that you can find online, they don't show that they've switched it to a more aggressive tri-lobe design. So I have images up in here for you guys, but you probably can't necessarily see the actual full features of the tri-lobe handle. But just know that they are a different design, not just a different color. They've also changed the grip style and everything as well. So the tools themselves are still the same. Same pick set, other pick sets that they have available, they now have the new handle design, but it's just the handles that have changed. So they're Gearwrench's new colors as well as new design. The thing that I found kind of interesting was that all of the new tools are actually cheaper than the old tools. So I bought the screwdriver set, and I find the screwdriver set now with the new design, and it's cheaper than the design that I have. This pick set runs $30. The new handle design, same pick set, new handle design, runs $22.50. So all of these products that I speak about from Gearwrench will be linked down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested. It'll all be underneath the tools link. So I find it very interesting that all of Gearwrench's new designs and new tools that they are releasing are cheaper. They're still offering this. You can still find these sets on the Gearwrench website as well as Amazon. You can find both in both places. I want to say they probably went cheaper with the new stuff in order to start getting their new products out there. When somebody sees the two products, this one right before the new set on Amazon, they're going to probably pick the one that is cheaper, because you're going to be able to tell that it's the same set. It's just going to be cheaper. The only reason I can see somebody going with this over the new design is color preference, really, because that's going to be the only difference, because most people aren't going to know that the handles are actually different. So keep that in mind. It's going to be a color preference thing, but also the handle designs are different. So that's really it. I'll show you a close-up of each pick, and then we'll finish off the video. So you have this smaller pick. You have your 90-degree pick. And they all do have their part numbers on them as well. Your straight pick. Then your hook. And then getting into your larger ones, you have your straight. And then you have your hook. So a very nice set, especially for the price. I think $30 is still a great price for this, and a fantastic price at $22.50 for the new set. So I think it's great. And they also come in this plastic blow molded case. I have the screwdriver set, this pick set, a scraper set, as well as a panel popper set, and they all come in a tray like this. And most of them are fairly well sized. They organize them fairly well to where they're not taking up a huge amount of space and still keep everything organized. So it's really nice to have. They've held up well, the cases, just because I do not move them. This is the first time this has been out of the toolbox in a long time. So they hold up well. I think I've punctured a hole. Yeah, I've punctured a hole down in here just from putting the pick back in here. But other than that, all the cases have held up well. They're not super thick or anything. You can see there's a crack here, but it just sits in the box, so it holds up well. So I really enjoy the organizer, enjoy the tools, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. And if you guys enjoyed, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts on this set, as well as if you're considering the new set. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. See you guys next time.